Today I'm going to show you how to use our free code to make your own page. You'll have to start off by going to our page and clicking on the free code tab. Click to open the code, drag it open. What you want to do is you want to take the code and put it into your fbml tab. Notice that you do have to delete the words, my words. Those are just to let you know what to do. So we come over here, paste it into an fbml box. I'm going to go ahead and delete the words now, otherwise they'll show up on the page. Alright, now if you notice, if we save this, we have the page. Well, in the main page I have the picture centered, so we'll go ahead and center that real quick just for the sake of being able to see where everything's at. So you see that we have what the page we're messing with here. So I'm going to go over everything with you. This top part is the background. You will want to set a background before you can do anything else. So you can save your own background. Just make sure it's I recommend doing 520 pixels wide, just because that's what Facebook will be changing their width to. You can make it as long as you want, and to change the background you simply just put your background URL here. Now the next section here is the video player. The div style here tells the page where to put the video player. I have it to where it centers off in middle of the box I made for it, as you can tell. You can change it by changing the parameters here. If you change right, it'll move it where it is, right or left. If you change the top, it'll move it where it is, up or down. There's no way to figure it out easily where it'll go. You're just going to have to play with it and move it up and down. To change the video itself, this is the play code for YouTube I got right here. So to change the video itself, you need to change the URL. This is the URL for my video. Whatever YouTube video you want to add, there'll be a section at the end of the URL which has the code. You'll see at the very end of it, and you just copy it and replace this with that one. And this is the image source is the picture that shows up in front of the video. There's no way to get rid of that. You have to have a picture in front of the video to activate the video player, because Facebook does not allow autoplay or anything like that. Once again, you'll see we have the div style on the next three items, and that tells us where to put our buttons. This here is the Twitter button. It has a link to my Twitter. You can change it to link to whatever you want, your Twitter, or you can make your own button and link it to whatever you want, like I said. So this right here is the link to my Twitter, and this is the source for the button, the Twitter button. You can make your own button and just swap out URLs. It's simple as that. And once again, tweak this to show you where to put it. This div style is absolute. It puts this code on, or the Twitter button, on the page right where we tell it to. As you'll notice, our next two divs are relative. That means that they are in relation to the div above it. Well, this one is position is set. These ones are relative to this one up here. So if we change this one, these ones will automatically change with it because they're relative to this one. So it's that simple. And once again, for these, you can just change the buttons here, and you can change where they link to here. So if you want to link to your own YouTube, you just put your YouTube address here, and if you want to link to your own Facebook, put your own Facebook address here. It's that simple. If you have any other questions, feel free to ask me, and I will make future videos for you guys. Alright? Thank you.